In this video, I will be going over how to create links in a Twextra message that point to different parts of the same message. This is really useful for long messages. So as you can see in this message, you need to scroll quite a bit to get to the bottom. So in a message like this, it can be helpful to have like a contents section at the top, where if you click on one of these links here, like part 3, it'll actually take you to part 3. And so here, it works for all of them just like that. So click on part 4 and it takes you to part 4. So let me show you how to go ahead and make a page like this. So in the Twextra editor, I already have the long message that I've composed, and now I will show you how to create those links. So go to the different sections of your message that you want to link to. So right before each part, you're going to go on the editor and click on the anchor button, and then it's going to ask you to give an anchor name. So I'm just going to call it part 1. So click OK, and now you'll see a little marker here, and that's representing the link that we're going to create. Go ahead and do this for the next one. So part 2, again, go to the editor and just give it a name. I'm going to call it part 2. Then go to the third one and do the same thing again. Call it part 3, and the last one, part 4. Okay, so I have the destination links in the message. Now I go to the top where I have my contents, and I'm going to highlight the whole part 1, and I'm going to go to the link button, click on that, and instead of saying link type URL, change it to link to anchor in the text. And then it's going to show you a drop down menu where you can choose the links that we just made. So this one is for part 1, so click OK. So there, now that will be a link to part 1 right here. And let's do that for part 2 now. So highlight the text, go to the link button, and change it to link to anchor in the text, and we're going to choose one of the anchors we already created, part 2. Click OK and continue, and this one is part 3. And the last one, just go ahead and choose part 4. Okay, so now we have our 4 links, and they will point to the different parts of this message. And basically you hit submit, and it's going to end up looking like this, where each one points to its corresponding section. Thanks for watching this video.